Hey everyone,
Hi.
Welcome back to another video. Today we want you to join us. Yeah, what's up?
Is it scary that I is speaking in English? And
Yeah.
you can see yourself?
Yeah, so we'll see how this video turns
Help me
out,
bake.
but basically we had the idea of just us baking some blueberry banana muffins together. You guys can just sit back, relax, enjoy, watch this while you're eating something, or watch this while you're going to bed. I don't know. Whenever you guys want to watch this, basically.
Whenever you want muffins.
Whenever you want muffins, watch this video.
Do you want to help me mash? Mash the banana?
Catherine's a huge chocolate fan.
Yeah, I am actually.
Yeah, so we're not using chocolate in this recipe.
Nope.
What's going on here?
It's gonna be banana blueberry muffins.
Yeah.
So Noah can eat them as well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You see that? You wanna try as well?
Yeah, you wanna help me?
You wanna mash it?
You wanna help me mash?
Yeah, mash it.
Gör på mose.
You can also punch it with your fist if you want to, just like BAM! Right?
So, yeah.
Did I lose that?
I don't think you're gonna teach Noah to
punch bananas.
punch bananas. It would hurt his little hand. Can you imagine, like going to the emergency room because your son broke his hand?
Yeah.
You wanted to try to
Punch
mash
bananas.
the bananas like you do.
Today I feel like this is gonna be like a little bit of an interesting thing because I am no baker at all. Like I don't think I've ever baked anything in my life apart from like I'll make pancakes, but that's completely different. That's not really baking. Is it considered baking?
When do you make pancakes?
You know, every Monday in bed I give you pancakes, right?
Ah.
What?
Yeah.
What do you mean? You're gonna tell them.
So basically, every time you see a recipe video on Jon's channel, it's me telling him what to do and how to do it.
No, of course
or
not.
It's actually me making it. And say that
What do you mean? They can see that it's my feminine hands. It's not yours.
So I'm gonna
look at that. Show the people. I don't. Yeah, they can see it. Perfect. So this is the consistency that we're going for. And by the way, the full recipe is in the description box below. Did we mention that already?
Look what I'm gonna add now. Look at this, guys. Look at this.
Oh, add it in. Add it in.
Oh, this is almond butter, and it's super creamy. So I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons, I think.
Nice. Hey Noah, do you like almond butter? Do you like almond butter? No? He actually doesn't really enjoy it that much, which is weird because it's like my favorite food.
But he has it like mixed. Here.
Oh look, he's gonna.
You can have this.
Trying. Oh, let's
like
find out.
Mixed in with things. He'll eat it, I think. All right, so gonna add a little splash of vanilla as well.
Why are you doing everything, pretending that this is what happens normally?
I guess I'll tell you what to do then.
Yes.
And then done. We need.
I'm ready to get my hands dirty.
About.
We don't want to be that stereotypical couple where the woman does all the cooking.
2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, please.
Okay. Cool. Of course. Hemp seeds, amazing. Amazing, right? Noah's
yeah, that's Noah's go-to
nutrient
fat.
boost. Yeah.
Yeah.
2 tablespoons.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Hemp seeds are just amazing, and they taste a little bit bitter. Yeah, they taste bitter by itself. So if we gave the actual seeds to Noah directly, I don't think he would like it. Or even hemp seed butter would be a little bit too bitter. But in smoothies and things like this,
and oats, like in oatmeal, it's like oatmeal we always put hemp seeds.
Yeah, exactly. And you can't notice it. So it's a good way of sneaking in some good nutrients for your kids. For sure.
Alright, so I think Noah's hungry, so we better get cooking. I'm just gonna add like a tiny bit of salt, not a lot, because... And then we need, what do we need now, Jon? We need about a cup of soy milk.
1 cup.
Here you go.
Alright. So, Catherine, you gotta speak. You gotta let me do all the talking here.
Yeah, so
tell them how you've been.
Not, like, updated you
we
guys
haven't been on YouTube for a long time, so there's a lot to update.
We're back in Spain. You probably told them.
No, I haven't.
So we've been in Norway for about how long? A month?
Yeah, we're in Norway a month. I was in LA, and then
we stayed in Norway while you went to LA.
Yeah.
And then now we're back in Spain. We've been back for 2 weeks almost.
2 weeks in which most of it has been just recovering from Noah's illness, and then when he got better, there was just too much for me to catch up on in terms of work and stuff. So didn't manage to get that many videos up. So now you guys know.
It's a bit busy for us. So actually, one thing I was really looking forward to coming back to Spain was just going to the beach and being outside.
Yeah.
But since Noah got the cold on the day, he got the cold on the day we were leaving Norway.
Yeah. True.
So we had to like risk it and like go on the plane.
And
it wasn't like risky.
The trip was
fine,
horrible as well.
But yeah, he wasn't like feeling his best on the trip, so it wasn't the best one. And then when we got back, he got worse. Like back to Spain, he got worse, and then he was sick for a week. So we just, and now actually that we can go outside, it's actually gotten a few degrees colder.
Yeah.
So, and it's been like cloudy the last couple of days.
Hey, watch out! He's gonna eat the baking soda.
Oh yeah, don't eat the baking soda. I need to stir first. Let me stir.
You wanna help?
Stir. You wanna help me stir? Let me do this.
There you go. Get your hands in there.
Let me stir.
Is this considered like child labor?
No, he loves it.
Do you think they can come and get the kid from us? No.
Oh my gosh. No.
You never know.
This is actually good for him. That's like learning. This is learning, and he loves it. He gets to taste test. He gets to play. Like it's a good like learning, playful learning.
Playful learning. There you go.
He needs to learn to cook so that he can help me in the kitchen. Since I don't get much help, you can add like a little bit at a time.
Yeah, sure.
While I stir.
Which technique do I use? Do I use the brute force technique, or do I use a gentle? Gentle?
Yes.
It's like
wrist with your
like
hands.
This. Oh no?
Just like this. You don't have to touch all the flour. You should tell them what your 3 favorite things to make for me. Like what's your 3 favorite meals to make for me?
Yeah, I really don't know what I enjoy making. I'd say that I enjoy all the meals the same, so yeah, I don't know.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
What's your favorite
come on.
meal?
Alright, can we change subject now?
What's the favorite thing that I make for you?
Oh, that's okay, well that's pretty easy.
What, is it?
No, not really. You make a lot of good stuff. I'd say the thing that you make...
Noah's making his own.
Yeah, Noah's having fun here. I don't know, because I love... I mean, like, if we go like super indulgent, super, you know, dessert kind of thing, then brownies, like the brownies that we shared on the vlog the other day.
Those are...
I guess that has to be one of my top choices, yeah.
Yeah, they're too good.
Yeah, and then but your Indian dishes are always amazing as well. So
which ones?
Which ones? Like chana masala is a good one. Even though we haven't made it in a
long time.
Yeah, maybe we should do it in the vlog.
I don't have time to cook anymore.
Yeah, I know.
Like with this little one.
Guys, you have no idea how. Like I thought that by the first year or something you get used to it, everything's gonna be easy. But no, this guy, you're a piece of work, my buddy.
You take up all my time, don't you? I love it though, but I just don't have time to cook or do anything. So what we do is usually stick to like super easy, simple meals. Yeah. Quick. Maybe that's what we should do. We should film more, like some more like quick, easy meals. Yeah, please let us know what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see quick, easy meals that we normally prepare for our family just to get going, let us know. Just throwing ideas out there. Do you want to help me start? We don't have a fixed format for the videos anymore, so anything's possible. Right, let's get this done. This is not quick, Catherine. Ow? Yeah, what's ow? Okay, so now what we need to do, I think it's done. Yeah? So we're gonna add it to the tray. The tray, okay. So we need to move. And what's the tray again? Maybe please take this to the sink. Whoa, okay. And then this. Sure. And then this. Let's move this out of the way so you guys can see. So just move this stuff out of the way so now we can put all the muffins in the tray. Oh. The one thing we haven't... Oh, and then we need to put these in. This, 1, 2. Not you though, because you're super dirty. 3. I think we should... Yeah, we should do this. Yeah. You want to play with this instead? Woo! I'm gonna play with it. I mean, taste test? Taste. You gonna taste? Oh no. I don't think eating flour like that is good. But we'll find out, I guess. Oh, it might be a hard, tough night. Yeah. Hey! Yeah, let it just taste test. It's okay. We actually haven't tasted this to like see if it's acceptable. Yeah, I'm gonna taste it right now. So what we should do? Look, Noah, what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this. Mm. It's good. Really good. And then I'm gonna add it to there, like to the pan. Look. Ooh. Mmm. Check that out. Look at that. Woohoo! Wow. I'm actually not sure how much I can put in. Like I don't know how much it will rise. Yeah. So hopefully they won't like rise above.
Do you want Daddy to lift you up and clean your hands? Yeah, I think so.
Alright, we'll be right back.
We'll just clean your fingers.
Be right back. Yeah. Oh my god, but you're full of it.
Yeah.
Damn.
I know, you're gonna have to do some serious cleaning right now.
Oh my god.
So that's the thing when you have kids and you want to make stuff, and if you're gonna like include them, you have to expect a big mess. And that's also every time like he eats, so we'll let him like feed himself and stuff. So if you can see his chair, even though like we clean this cover, like after one meal it gets dirty again. But that's just part of the journey, and Noah loves it. Like he prefers that we like let him eat himself instead of feeding him. So we do like a little bit of both, but we try to just let him do as much as possible. It's good practice for him, and then it's good for us because then we can eat a meal together and we can like all just chill. So it's a good tip if you're a parent. Don't you agree, John? It's really good to just let Noah feed himself at the meal so we can all eat together. And then he prefers it as well.
Yeah.
Instead of us feeding him.
Yeah, yeah, it's easier for us and it's easier for him.
It's easier for you as long as you don't have to clean up the mess.
Well, you know,
Okay.
I do clean every day though.
Yeah.
You know, that you cannot deny that, Catherine. Come on.
Yeah, you do help out.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
If I ask.
Come on.
If I don't say anything.
Don't discredit me now after you've already...
If I don't say anything, you wouldn't do it. Like, for example, I haven't said anything else about his like suitcase coming back from the trip 2 weeks ago. And I don't think you still haven't unpacked it, right?
My suitcase?
You want this? No.
Oh yeah.
Do you want to eat?
Yeah. Mama, I think...
Yeah, just let me finish this.
You want to go down a little bit, play? Do you want to play there?
He just wants to meet.
Yeah, he's attacking you.
Look. Look.
I can do that. I can do the last one if you want.
Alright, cool.
You want to attack her? Whoa, he's got your hair. Yes.
Come on.
Get her. Alright, there you go. Alright.
On my hair.
Cool. So.
Alright, so.
Oh, that's it? Okay.
Should we try it? No?
Yeah. So the oven, did you explain anything about the oven, the temperature, what we're doing?
Just 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit.
Okay. What about the blueberries?
Yeah, I'm gonna add some.
Should I do that? I can do that.
Yeah.
I'm a great decorator.
Just like a few, like.
Did you guys know I'm an artist?
Just a few to each.
I used to do art in high school.
And then I'm gonna lick this bowl. Like one of my favorite things when I'm baking is just to lick the bowl. Yeah.
Are you out of frame or are you breastfeeding in camera?
I don't know.
We'll find out. Yeah.
You can just blur out my boob.
No, I think people would want to see that, the whole thing. I made a little bit of a mistake of I didn't really spread them evenly, so one muffin only has 3 blueberries.
Can I?
Is that okay?
Then I'm just gonna do this. Let's see. I'm just gonna try to like put it down a little bit.
Yeah, because I heard art has to be a little bit random, you know? It can't make sense. What's up?
Oh, blueberry. This is blueberry.
Norwegian.
He loves blueberries. Do you want some blueberries? Here we go.
By the way, we talk to him in Norwegian. You guys always ask what language we talk to Noah in. We talk to him in English, but Norwegian mainly, for sure.
You want more blueberries? More blueberries?
Yeah.
Alright, so you can get the honor of putting it in the oven.
Oh, thank you.
Actually I forgot how long. Let me check. Let's check how long. We're gonna bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
We'll just see how they're doing.
So I'll put them in right now?
Yeah. In the middle of the oven.
Middle of the oven?
Yeah. And then, you gotta put them on there. Sorry, John. Forgot to tell you.
Whoops.
That's hot, right?
Whoa.
Careful. There we go, and then let's do like 15
15 minutes?
First, and then we'll check on them, and then we'll see how they're doing.
Yeah, so we're not gonna roll for 15 minutes. We'll see you guys in 15.
That'll be a bit too hard. We're gonna like clean up.
Yeah.
And then we'll see you when we take the muffins out.
Awesome. 15 minutes have gone by.
Alright.
And we have been preparing, or Catherine has prepared. I don't know why I say we. It's a team effort, right? Because you need my support. So.
Yeah, you've been playing with Noah. I prepared myself a salad for lunch.
Yeah. So you're gonna put some tempeh.
Yeah, I'm gonna air fry some tempeh. And I'm just marinating it in some soy sauce right now. And then I'm cooking up some pasta to add to it. So I'm gonna take this out, turn it off, take it out.
You burn yourself.
Yeah, this is really hot. So I'm gonna take this out now. Look, whew.
You feel the heat?
Yeah, pasta.
With the pasta? Pasta.
Look at this. Woo!
Jeez.
Look at that.
Wow.
Whoa, whoa.
Go close up. Show that.
Looks like black muffins.
Yeah, I know, right?
But they are like blueberry. Yeah, don't touch, please.
Yeah,
super
careful.
hot.
Very
Blueberry
hot.
muffins. Ooh, they look super pretty because there's like black and white, and it's like really cool.
Yeah,
Wow,
I like it.
I'm impressed, and they really did rise high.
Yeah, they exploded.
Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Wow, that's hot. Alright. So we need to take a picture, John.
Yeah, we do. But we have to kind of try it first, right? Or not?
Picture first.
Picture first, okay. Okay, so we had to bring the muffins outside to take a picture and to finish this vlog as well. Are you excited about it?
I'm so excited to try these muffins.
Yeah, they look
They're
amazing.
too hot. I think we need to wait like 5 minutes. You ready to try this? You want to be the first one to try the muffin?
Man, I'm excited.
Woohoo! Right, so they're a little bit stuck to the paper, but you know, that's alright. I didn't use any oil, so that's probably why.
Oil free.
Oil free, sugar free.
Healthy family recipe.
Woohoo!
Right.
There you go. Muffin for you.
Should be a little theme song for this video.
You smack it first? Yeah, it's a little bit hot. That's right. Oh, Daddy already tried it.
Sorry.
What do you think?
Definitely tastes healthy. It's really good.
If you want, if you want them to be a bit more indulging, just excuse me. Just use a little bit less soy milk.
Yeah.
And then add a little bit of maple syrup instead. So that you have like 1 cup in total.
Yeah, but this is amazing since it's sugar-free. You don't need to worry about this having a negative side effect in terms of health on you, your family, or anyone. So that is why we recommend doing things like this. And kids will love this kind of stuff.
Of course.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, we don't want Noah to have loads of sugar or stuff like that. So when we make stuff for him, we make it healthy.
Yeah.
So this is sweetened with banana. Ours, our bananas weren't like super ripe either. So if you want them even sweeter, wait till your bananas are like super ripe.
Yeah.
That will help a lot.
But I'd say this was a success for sure.
I really like them.
Yeah, I enjoyed them a lot. Yeah, we're gonna finish the whole tray for sure. Just like in the next 10 minutes. But
maybe we'll let your parents try one.
maybe if they're lucky. What?
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Good?
Is that good, huh?
Yeah.
Blueberry muffins.
Yeah.
Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed spending some time with the family today. It was a pleasure sharing Catherine's cooking skills with you guys. And yeah, let us know what you thought about the whole thing in the comment section below. I don't think we haven't done a video like this in a very long time. Like the last time we did something like this was like a mukbang video a very long time ago, and it was fun. So hopefully this was entertaining and enjoyable.
Yeah. If you like it, let us know so that we know if you want us to make more in the future.
Okay guys, see ya.
Bye.
Peace out. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. You want to say bye? You don't want to say bye to?
He's looking for who to say bye to.
Yeah, that's funny.
You want to say bye to the camera?
He's looking for a person.
You want to say bye to the camera?
We're kind of weird. We do
Hi
that.
to the camera. Bye.
Yeah, weird parents.
Yeah, bye.
Bye. There it goes.